Do you live anywhere in this red zone? If so, we've got multiple rounds of severe weather that are possible across the Midwest from August 9th to 12th, 2026. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's the full breakdown of what to expect in your area. Once again, we are in the midst of a gradient weather pattern. A strong upper-level low resides over parts of Ontario and Manitoba, bringing relatively cool weather to that region. But underneath that, there is a wide-reaching and intense upper-level ridge that stretches from coast to coast of the U.S. These air masses are colliding right over parts of the Midwest and Great Lakes, and that is exactly where active weather will be favored over the coming days. This means there will be a series of fast-moving yet weak short waves that will follow the jet stream across this region. Thanks to persistent southerly flow in the warm sector, this means it will be a bit hotter than average, but more importantly, pretty humid. This means there is going to be elevated, perhaps strong instability present in the atmosphere at times, and that can fuel thunderstorm development. This means that over the next several days, there will be daily clusters of strong to severe storms that will eventually congeal into squall lines. Some of these squall lines may be intense and or long tracking, but we do not currently anticipate a duration. For Sunday, August 9th, the SPC has a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for this yellow zone that includes eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, southwestern Michigan, and northwest Indiana. This includes Cedar Rapids, the Quad Cities, Kenosha, Chicago, Rockford, Joliet, Kankakee, Gary, South Bend, and Lafayette, among others. A level 2 out of 5 slight risk also covers this yellow zone in South Dakota. The most widespread concern is for damaging straight line winds, which is most likely in this yellow area as well as in South Dakota. There's also potential for an isolated tornado or two in this green zone. For Monday, August 10th, the SPC has a wide-reaching level 2 out of 5 slight risk that extends from eastern Iowa to western Pennsylvania. This includes the Quad Cities, Kenosha, Chicago, Joliet, Rockford, Kankakee, Fort Wayne, South Bend, Muncie, Detroit, Ann Arbor, Kalamazoo, Columbus, Cleveland, Toledo, Akron, Wheeling, and Pittsburgh, among others. For Tuesday, August 12th, the SPC has not issued any severe weather outlooks, but machine learning models are showing elevated severe weather probabilities from the Midwest to the East Coast. This implies the highest probability would be in the Ohio Valley. And for Wednesday, August 12th, once again, there is no forecast from the SPC, but elevated severe weather probabilities are evident from the Midwest to the Mid-Atlantic and the Carolinas. Please stay safe, and for continuous coverage of severe weather all around the world, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.